Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong May 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, so mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, o kaya naman you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, let's begin. Gemini, what is the energy for you ngayong May 2026 for Gemini? Okay, grounding, ayan. So some of you, maaring magki-cleanse kayo, no? Meron kayong i-release na nega-energies or anything na parang nagbe-burden sa inyo. This can also mean na mas may time ka to go out with nature, may time ka for yourself, para sa self-reflection, solitude, ganyan. So mas gusto nyo ngayon ng katahimikan rin ng inyong mga isip. Grounding is very important, no? Especially if things are being heavy, no? Nagiging mabigat. For you, especially that Uranus is entering the sign of Gemini. So, yung iba sa inyo rito, may mga biglaang kaganapan, unexpected changes sa buhay ninyo that you need time para mag-detach sa situation na yan, especially if it's kind of difficult for you to manage, no? Fertility. So, this is about being productive. So, marami kayong mga magagawa, ma-accomplish ngayong May 2026. Fertility is about producing a lot of things. So, pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, this can be pregnancy, if you're sexually active, just take what resonates, or this can be, mayroon kang sisimulan, may parang ipapanganak ka, or parang, this can also mean na, very, kumbaga, di ba, pag sinabing, or fertile yung lupa, ibig sabihin, mataba yung lupa, na marami kang pwedeng itanim doon na magiging malusog, mag-grow. So, some of you, ngayon, marami kayong ideas na you want to try, to explore, and to start na gawin yon. Also, compassion. This is about love for yourself, love for others. Mas magiging malambot ang inyong mga puso ngayong May, Gemini. So, this can also mean loving the people na dinideserve ng love ninyo, ng attention ninyo. Mas kayo ngayon, mas hands-on sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, nakatutok kayo sa kanila, like kung may mga anak na kayo, mahal sa buhay, you're going to be more present and caring and loving to your family or friends. Your overall energy is the Six of Wands. Wow, ang ganda nito because this is about triumph. Some of you may glow up. Like parang ngayong May, maraming makakapansin sa inyo. You may have a new look. Okay? So, some of you, this can be reward. Meron kayong marireceive na reward, awards, recognition. People will celebrate you. Pwede rin kung kayo ay into content creation or anything na may kinalaman sa public. Kayo ay mas marirecognize, mas merong susuporta sa inyo, sa inyong kakayanan. Now, your challenge is yung patience ninyo. With temperance here, kailangan din na meron tayong mga hintayin na proseso para yung maging resulta noon ay nasa tama talaga. For example, pag mag-bake ka ng cake, hindi naman pagsalang mo sa oven, after 1 minute luto na. So, it takes some patience para makita mo yung resulta, no? Hintayin. Okay? So, this is also about healing. You have to go through healing kung sa tingin mo ay hindi ka pa fully healed or parang meron ka pang kailangang ayusin or i-work out or i-shadow work. Okay? Now, your opportunity is the Nine of Cups. This is pagiging optimistic. Very positive yung energy ninyo. Kayo ay mas excited sa mga bagong ideas ninyo. This can also mean mas magiging outgoing kayo, you want to meet new people, new friends, mas magso-socialize kayo ngayong May. And then, meron din ditong wish fulfillment for some of you. So, maaring ito yung mga goals ninyo, mga pangarap ninyo. So, meron kayong wish na matutupad. Now, your blessing is, the Wheel of Fortune. So, as a blessing, this is about uh, luck, good luck. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune is also your destiny, your life's purpose. Some of you, you will realize your life's purpose. Marirealize mo na, ito pala yung aking calling sa buhay. So, kung kayo ay nalilito in the past, kung ano ang purpose niya sa buhay, so ngayong may ipapakita yan sa'yo. You will be able to realize, na marirealize mo or madidiscover mo yung mga iba mo pang talento na maaring yun yung mag-convince sa'yo na, okay, there's more to life, there's more to hope for, okay? Some of you may be connecting with water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is pagiging empathetic, intuitive, very sensitive yung energy ninyo ngayong May. Maaring mas mabilis kayong makaramdam ng feelings ng iba. Okay? So that's why you can use that to your advantage. Kumbaga, makakatulong kayo sa iba na hindi na kailangan nilang magsabi sa'yo kasi naiintindihan mo sila. Or pwede kang makaiwas sa mga taong merong hindi magandang intensyon sa'yo. You will also focus on your family, your children kung may anak ka na, or your parents, giving them time, may oras ka sa kanila to spend, yung mga bonding moments. Yan ba sa inyo, meron kayong pinag-aalala, hindi niyo to kailangang ipag-alala, okay? Maaring magbigay lang to sa iyo ng anxiety or stress. If you feel na wala ka namang magagawa sa isang sitwasyon, then just surrender and pray for that. Pero kung meron, hindi mo kailangan mag-alala, all you need to do is to take action. Kung ano man yung kailangan mong aksyonan para hindi ka na mag-aalala kasi alam mo na meron kang ginagawa para masolusyonan yon. Okay? Prioritize self-love and care. Ayan. So, ngayong May, you will prioritize yourself. Okay? Loving yourself. Taking care of yourself. Ino-nurture mo ang sarili mo. Kasi sabi nga nila, paano mo maaalagaan or mamahalin ng iba kung hindi mo naaalagaan or minamahal yung sarili mo. Okay, speaking of sarili, you have the first house, South Node, and Aries. South Node is your strength. This is your energy ng past. Ito yung na-master mo na. And I think you will use that, yung abilities and skill set mo to improve yourself. And also Aries energy, ito yung action-oriented. So, mas magiging active ngayong May 2026. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.